I'm on NuvaRing.can. Can it be taken out a day or two earlier than it's supposed to so I can try to get my period earlier in the week? And still put it in the following Sunday and be okay?
Yes, you can do that. The important thing is that you replace it exactly 7 days after you remove it.
Okay, well, here's specifics pertaining to my situation. I'm due to remove it Sunday 2/12. I'm in a wedding sat 2/18 and usually don't get my period till a Weds. With Sunday removal.so I was thinking of removing it Friday 2/10 so I would replace it Friday 2/17. And then what happens the next month? Do I go back to Sunday removal? Thank you so much for your help.
Okay. That would be just fine for removal and replacement to move your period up. Once you change the in/out date, that would be your new time change going forward. So Fridays instead of Sundays. Thanks, Dr. Pfeiffer.
This won't be an issue, BC. I know it says NuvaRing has to be in for 3 weeks to be effective. I know I'm only talking about 2 days, but it's tricky.
It's fine. What's really important is the hormone-free days. If you wanted to be super careful. When you place the ring back, you can abstain or use a backup means of contraception for the first 7 days. Thanks, Dr. Pfeiffer.
If you have a health question and want to chat with a doctor now, visit JustAnswer.com/ythealth.